Hello and welcome back. We are going to do a countdown timer showing a player when something's happening, how long they've got to do. So we're going to give them a bit of a visual feedback using a bus bar. It just makes it nice for the player to know how much time they've got. So let's create an objective. Objective, done. Scoreboard, objectives, add, clock, dummy. Okay, and then here we will activate. We are going to set block 2 in the positive Z, redstone block, replace. Okay, pop that down, that goes there, lovely. Right. What we're going to do is we are going to remove score because I want to count down. So scoreboard players remove from our old friend fake player. Clock 1. Done. Let's press that. So we're removing 1. Needs redstone. Repeat. Here we are going to execute if score fake player clock matches 0 or less, run scoreboard players set fake player, what score, their clock, and we'll set it to 41. We'll just do 2 seconds. Okay, and here we're going to do conditional. And we're going to set block -3 white wool. So we're going to minus the score. When the score gets to 0, we're going to set it back to 41. If that runs, this will run and turn this to white wool. So we should get 2 seconds. Okay, first time we run it, we set it up because the scores weren't right. So now the score has been set to 41. So we should get 2 seconds. 1, 2. There we go. That's good. Okay, let's get a door. I'm going to get some wool to make a wall. I'm going to get a door. And I'm going to get a redstone torch. This is going to be my door. There it is. And then here will be my torch. Lovely. Okay, right, next block. So in here, we're going to execute if score fake player clock matches 40. So we've literally just started. Run set block, actually run. And we'll save that. Done. And I'm going to point at that torch there, press F3 and I. I'm going to copy its information. Let's just paste that in there. We don't need lit, so let's remove that. We'll keep facing. We don't need this Minecraft bit. Okay, so we're setting a block at those coordinates, redstone wall torch facing west. So get rid of that. Now when we press this, it should equal 40 pretty quickly and just open the door straight away. Lovely. Okay, let's do another check straight away afterwards. We are going to execute if score fake player clock matches. So we're doing a countdown. So let's say if it equals 1 or less, run set block. Done. I'm just going to pop in here and get these coordinates. That's where we set the torch. Whenever I replace torches, I always replace them with pink wool. You can replace it wherever you want, air if you want. Okay. There we go. See, now I know if I come along the map and I look, if I see pink wool, I know that that gets replaced with torches. Just makes it easier when I'm flying around. So we've got the actual door. They've got 2 seconds. Maybe they can't see the door though. They've just pressed the button on the wall. They don't know what they're supposed to be doing. So let's set up the visual countdown. So let's go in here and copy this. If score equals 40, run. Let's copy all of that. So if it does equal 40, I'm going to run boss bar add door timer, no capital letters in boss bar names, and let's give it a nice name as well. Door is open. Now see, when I see door is open, I'm going to instantly know that I'm running around looking for a door. Okay, and let's get another one. Now that will run when it hits 40, so we could just do conditional for this, and we will boss bar set door timer max, and we've got 40. Okay, and again we can just do conditional. We will do boss bar set door timer value to 40. So we've set the max to 40, we've filled it up, and now let's make it so players can see it. Boss bar set door timer players at all. Okay, now because 1, 2, 3, these are all conditional, they are only going to run if this one runs, and this one will run if the clock matches 40. So all of these will run if the clock matches 40. So let's see what that does. Let's have a look. Okay, so there's our door. There's our door is open. That makes it really obvious what we're supposed to be doing. We're supposed to be running around looking for a door. Now let's make that timer go down. Execute store result in a boss bar. Which boss bar? Door timer. Go store its value. Run. What are we going to store in there? Scoreboard players. Old Mr. Fake Player. Ooh, players get. Get from who? Get from Mr. Fake Player. Their clock score. Okay, done. So now we should have that countdown. Nice. Okay, so we know we've got a very clear how long we've got before that door is closed again. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to execute if score fake player clock matches 1 run boss bar remove door timer. Done. Okay, come along, we find a button on the wall, we press it, we don't know what we're supposed to be doing. We've got a nice timer appears saying door is open. We know we've got to run around and find a door. Oh, we just made it. Okay, there we go. So it's a nice bit of feedback for the player. It's very, very clear what they're supposed to be doing there, and it's very, very clear how long they've got to do it. There we go, it's a bit of a quickie. Okay, so it's our little visual timer, bit of feedback for the player so they know what they're supposed to be doing. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.